all along this road, there's these pull-offs for camping. Free camping. Is that not awesome?
It's such beauty, because look right across the street from where that one is.
Seriously.
Like these big mountains that just shoot up. Wow.
Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Y'all, what a view.
Wow. We're going to mark this as one of our camp spots.
Boondocking. We don't always have to be camped on the water. Pit toilet. Snow. Free boondocking. Okay, y'all, this is called Farnsworth Reservoir. I don't know where the reservoir is, but we've got a great spot right here. And it's free boondocking, 16-day. Woohoo! What do you say, Mr. C?
My kind of place.
Oh, they did. They left us a ton of wood. Woohoo! All right, let me put the draw up. There went a little chickmunk. And we seen elk. Of course, we are at 11,000 feet.
There's elk, bear,
mountain lion,
goat. What's those? The sheep.
Bighorn sheep.
Bighorn sheep. There's everything up here.
And this is a nice spot right here. Yep. What's this called again?
Harv's Reservoir.
Harv's Reservoir.
16-day camping.
Yep, 16-day. Free camping.
In Yeah, the Forest Service has really got smart here. I have to give them credit. What they've done is they put gravel where they want you to camp, which is just outstanding, kind of like they do in North Carolina.
Very smart.
If any of y'all ever been there. And we haven't seen too much of this, putting gravel down to keep campers in kind of a place where they can camp.
Right.
And that's really smart. I bet you come out here in the mornings you can see them.
So you think the beavers did this?
The beaver done it.
Y'all, this is behind the campground. This is the reservoir.
Oh, that lake goes up and on around.
Look how pretty that is.
Look at the man and beaver cut some timber down.
I don't know. I think some of this is from an avalanche too.
Well, if it was from an avalanche, I think the pond would be full. It'd be a clear meadow. This is around the pond. This is beaver. Beaver done this.
This is in the pond.
Yeah, they fell the trees and they get the branches off of them. They're smart little jokers because they store it up for the winter.
Okay.
That's what they do.
All right, if you say so.
Now, that's the dam right there.
Oh, I know.
People didn't make that. You probably put your snorkel mask on and see where they go in and out over there. I'll dive down and be with the beaver.
Y'all, that may be a deep beaver dam right there. The man might be right. Wow. The man says he's right. I wish y'all could smell that. It smells so good. Just like Christmas.
The little beaver, he did this one. Look at that. Little beaver. He's learning how to use his teeth. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Right around the side. Look around the side. You can see the beaver tooth marks.
Yeah, okay, okay.
And when he got tired, his buddy came up and said, let me take care of that. He had a chainsaw. Look at that. He had a chainsaw right there.
Uh-huh.
That was Leroy. This was Junior.
Oh, boy. Bear country, y'all. Bear country. You out in the wilderness. The sticks. It's the woods. But that's a nice spot right here. Nice spot there too. The road going in and out is fabulous. They've done an excellent job here in this camping area. And see, there's a family camping area right there. We can have our whole tribe in there. Woohoo! It's 70 degrees. We're at 11,000 feet. And there's the pit toilet.
And right to the left is more camping.
It's more camping, yes. Nice. And there's a pull through right there. That's very nice. Nice big area to camp.
All free, y'all.
Free for 16 days. Woo-hoo! Another nice road. Look up there. Another family get-together.
This is ATV country, off-road vehicles.
Oh, big time.
Off-highway vehicles, but here they ride them on the highway. I don't know all the rules.
Yeah, that's a nice spot up there.
Every camp's got them. Just about every camp we see.
Nice. Yeah, that's a nice spot up there on the hill. Another back end spot. Nice. This will show you the vastness of Utah. No Wi-Fi.
Didn't have Wi-Fi all day. Beautiful country though. Woo.
We are at 89.75. Woo! On our way back to camp. And look there. Somebody set a pit toilet up for me.
Up to 70.
Yeah, that was a nice road.
That was unbelievable.
Lots of boondocking there.
Yeah, it's not on there, but it goes out right at this lake here. I think it was this lake. And what was before we got to that campground, first campground, remember?
Right.
They said, let's take goosenecks. Boy, were we surprised up through here.
Oh my gosh, gorgeous.
Unbelievable.
And right there, Richfield is where the Walmart is. Up there at the top.
Yeah, we never made it that far. That's the next trip through.
Yeah.
We'll be back on this road tomorrow taking 70, then we're going to go this way on 70 and hook up with I think Highway 10, headed up to Provo, Utah.
Y'all look at this map. We were over here at, where am I at, honey? We came up
This is
at,
Capitol Reef.
we came up right there at Page. See? Right here. Lake Powell's down at the bottom.
Yeah, we came up on,
No,
now that's 95 over here. We were over here, not on this map.
okay.
Here's 12. Here's where we come up.
Boulder
Mountain.
Gotcha.
Here's 12.
And we boondocked down there.
Boondock here on Boulder
Yep.
at 11,000 something. And came this way up through here. And
You see all those little tents?
that was camping along the way.
Yeah. Dixie National Forest. Awesome.
And we came up here, made left here, and came to Loa, and came up here and camped here.
Yep. And we went to Capitol Reef.
Which is here.
Yep.
Yep. And we have plenty to explore next time we come.
Definitely. Definitely.
We have
So
all the Glen Canyon, Lake Powell, but that's in early spring. You want to be there, it's cool enough.
right.
Or the winter. So it's cold there in the winter. We know that. But the fall's great there.
Yeah.
This is such a vast area. It's hundreds of thousands of square miles.
That's a nice map.
Yeah, that's a nice information map.
Fishlake National Forest is awesome. Awesome.
And
Dixie's pretty dang good too.
Yeah, it don't have. What makes Fishlake so neat is the reservoir up there.
Yeah.
Fishlake, it's just, you got two separate sections of it up there. And Dixie's nice too because you got Bryce Canyon.
Bryce Canyon, yeah. And Bryce Canyon's not even on this map.
No, it's not even here because it's way down below Boulder Mountain.
Yeah.
Escalante, you got that.
Yep.
We ain't been there yet. We're going to stop there next time. There's just so much to see. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. I mean, I could spend a year here and never see all of it.
Exactly.
We're only just scratching the surface to show y'all a little bit of what we see.
Utah is much more vast than what we thought.
It's way different than what I thought. You get into the higher elevations. I did not know it had so much high elevation where there was national forest.
For sure.
And the timber. It's just a lot of log homes here too.
Yeah.
Once you get off. So all we ever knew was kind of a go-through state. That's,
Right.
Salt Lake City, and that's that's all we knew because our daughter went to school out here.
And every time we flew out here somewhere, you go through Salt Lake City.
Yeah.
So
we just never. Now we have the opportunity to learn Utah a little bit, and it's been fantastic. Utah's
awesome.
great state.
If you haven't been here, you need to come here. Not a lot of Wi-Fi out in this area,
No Wi-Fi.
but wow.
But hey, satellites come.
Yeah.